The 2026 Fiat Strada is imagined as a smarter, stronger, and more versatile evolution of Fiat's popular compact pickup truck. Built for drivers who want a practical vehicle that performs well in both city environments and light-duty work situations. It continues to offer a compact footprint that makes parking and maneuvering easy, while still giving owners the utility of a functional cargo bed and solid payload capacity. Its exterior styling becomes more modern and refined, featuring sharper body lines, a bolder grille, LED headlights, and a tougher, more sculpted stance that makes it look more premium than ever before. Higher trims are expected to include larger alloy wheels, roof rails, and a sportier bumper design, all contributing to a more confident and contemporary appearance. Performance improves with updated engine options. The familiar 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine is expected to return with better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery, producing around 120 to 130 horsepower. Some markets might receive a more powerful 1.5-liter turbo engine making up to 150 horsepower, giving the Strada stronger acceleration for highway driving and heavier loads. There are also whispers of a mild hybrid option aimed at improving fuel economy and reducing emissions, which would help the truck stay competitive in a market shifting toward cleaner technologies. Front-wheel drive remains standard, with an optional all-wheel drive system available for drivers who need better traction on rough roads or slippery terrain. Both manual and automatic transmissions are expected, giving buyers flexibility based on their driving style. The interior of the 2026 Strada becomes more comfortable and feature-rich, moving closer to the experience of a modern compact SUV. Soft-touch materials, digital displays, improved sound insulation, and updated seat designs help create a more premium cabin feel. The dashboard likely features a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, USB ports, and optional wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Practicality remains a major focus, with clever storage spaces, durable seat fabrics for work-oriented trims, and foldable rear seats and double-cab versions to expand interior cargo capacity. Passenger comfort improves with better legroom, upgraded air conditioning, and more supportive seating. Safety technology receives enhancements as well, bringing advanced features that were once found only in larger vehicles. Stability control, traction control, hill start assist, rear-view cameras, and multiple airbags come standard, while higher trims may offer automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and parking sensors. These upgrades help make the Strada safer and more reassuring for families and business owners alike. The cargo bed continues to be one of the safer and more reassuring for families and business owners alike. The cargo bed continues to be one of the Strada's strongest points, offering good payload capacity for its segment. Depending on the cab style, it can carry between 650 and 720 kilograms, making it suitable for small businesses, delivery tasks, and light construction work. The bed's shape and durability make loading easy, and accessories such as bed liners, tonneau covers, and cargo nets increase functionality. Overall, the 2026 Fiat Strada is imagined as a balanced, reliable, and modern compact pickup that delivers excellent value. It fits perfectly for drivers who want a vehicle that is easy to live with daily, economical to run, and capable